Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss a question from JEE Advanced 2022 paper 1 which is from the electrochemistry chapter, and in this question what has been asked is the reduction potential of E0 in volt of MnO4 negative to Mn solid is, and we have given the E0 from MnO4 negative to MnO2 solid which is 1.68 volt, and E0 of MnO2 solid to Mn2 plus aqueous which is 1.21 volt, and E0 of Mn2 plus to Mn solid is also given as minus 1.03 volt. Now we know that the MnO4 negative to MnO2 we have given the electrode potential, reduction potential value which is 1.668, and MnO2 to Mn2 plus can be written as this, and the reduction potential, standard reduction potential is given as 1.21 volt, and the other one is the Mn2 plus to Mn will be minus 1.03 volt. When we add all these three reactions, what we will get is, what will happen is if we add all these three reactions, this will be cut down and this Mn2 plus will be cutted, cancel out. Then we will get the reaction as MnO4 negative plus 3 2 2, that means 7 electrons giving us Mn solid. As we cannot add the standard reduction potentials value because standard reduction potentials are the intensive properties, that's why what we will do is we will convert them into the Gibbs free energy, and we know that the delta G equals to minus NF E. So we use this equation, and after using this equation we will get the E0 of MnO4 negative to Mn solid, which will comes out to be 3 into 1.68. Why 3? Because there are in the first reaction 3 number of electrons are involved, that's why 3 into 1.68, and plus 2 into 1.21 because there are 2 electrons are involved, and plus 2 into minus 1.03 volt because there are 2 electrons are involved, and F will be cancelled out. We know that the delta G naught for this reaction is minus 7 F into E naught of MnO4 negative to Mn solid. Now F will be cancelled out and 7 will be divided from all these addition, so we will get the 0.77 volt. Final answer should be 0.77 volt. Thank you so much for listening. Hope you understand the solution. If you have any doubt, any query, then you can comment on the comment section. Thank you so much.